I'm often asked, eating clean, what does that mean? And eating clean is actually choosing foods that are closest to its natural state. So fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, lean meats, and seafood is a great way to make sure that you're eating clean. When you walk into the grocery store, shop the perimeter. That's where you're going to find all your fresh produce, your lean meats, your seafoods. When you shop in the aisles in the middle of the store, that is where most likely you're going to find foods that are processed, full of chemical additives and sugars. So those are the foods that you want to avoid to eat clean. And when you go to the grocery store, make sure you go with a list. Stick to your list that you want to stock your shelves with. And also, never go on an empty stomach. Make sure you ate something before you shop. That's all for now. Until next time, live happy and be well.